just over 3 years later. With 17 and 18 gone, people have begun to rebuild cities and towns that were ravaged by the androids. Trunks was eager to inform those in the past of his success, so with the time machine fully charged, he prepared for another trip.
All right, Mom, I'm off.
Have a safe trip, Trunks! Tell everyone I said hi!
Sure. You need to leave, Mom. Head somewhere safe.
Huh? Okay.
I know you're over there. Cell.
What?
You plan on killing me, then traveling to the past to absorb androids 17 and 18 and obtain your perfect form.
How could you possibly know that?
Your plan's going to fail, because I'm going to finish you off once and for all.
My plan's going to fail, is it? Well, you're awfully cocky.
Cell, your perfect form was insanely strong. There's no doubt about that. But as you are now, I'm more than enough to destroy you.
Oh, I get it. So you went back to the past. I see. That's why you know so much. Such a sneaky guy. But I have to say, I'm surprised to hear you say you can destroy me. Trunks, I have plenty of data on you thanks to my spy robots. You idiot! You don't have enough power to lay a finger on androids 17 and 18, let alone me! Pathetic!
Oh? Then why aren't 17 and 18 around anymore?
What? Impossible! So you're the reason the two of them are gone! It's because of you!
We're not fighting here in West City. People have worked too hard to rebuild. I'm taking this fight somewhere else. Ha! Cell, I'm going to defeat you and put an end to all of this! He hasn't transformed yet. This is my chance. Okay, they look pretty weak. I can't let him travel to the past. There you are.
You may be a bit stronger than before, but if you think you can beat me, well, you're kidding yourself. You're weak!
I'm going to make sure you don't go to the past.
You pathetic child! I am the ultimate android, created by the great Dr. Giro. It's scientifically impossible for anyone to best me.
We'll see.
This is it! This is it! Once I kill you, I'll head to the past and achieve my perfect form.
Not on my watch. I'm barely warmed up. This world's been through enough hell. This ends now!
You're just a pathetic child.
Go ahead and act tough while you still can.
You cannot escape the inevitable. A human like you is no match for a superior being like me.
Well, this human is going to beat you. Give it up, Cell! You're done!
Damn you for robbing me of androids 17 and 18! I deserve perfection!
I just gave them a taste of the pain they loved inflicting on us!
Tremble before my awesome power! Can't hope to keep up with myself. No use! Your energy is mine! Spirit will finish you! Damn it! If I had achieved
Sorry, but you're never getting your perfect form! This world's finally at peace, and I intend to keep it that way!
This can't be happening! I am the ultimate android! I can't lose to a brat like you! Damn it!
No! I have to stop you to save Earth!
No use! What? I am the ultimate being! Take this! What? No, you give me no choice! This move should be familiar. Me! What?
Cell? You don't belong in this world!
Damn you!
It's over. That's the final loose end. Thanks, everyone.
Trunks, are you okay?
Trunks' long, hard-fought struggle with the menacing androids had finally come to an end. No more would humanity live in fear. Now, the people of Earth would know true peace. And as long as Trunks is able to fight, this newfound peace will surely last.